All right, today we're filling sandbags. So we made this cool little tool for it. It's an 8-inch wide piece of PVC. It's about 3 foot long, just kind of whatever you think for your arm span. We cut a handle in it with the reciprocating saw and Dremel tool, kind of sanded it down so it's nice to grab onto there. And it works perfect for these U-line sandbags that we have here. I forget the size on these, but it just slips right on. It's a lot easier to do without gloves. You can grab the edge of the bag easier. Flip it right on, and then we get a scoop of dirt here. About 2 to 3 scoops, however full you want it. It's pretty easy.